Email has become a major form of workplace communication. A well-written email conveys a message accurately and creates a sense of warmth and friendliness. Composing clear and concise emails is a valuable skill in today's corporate arena. This video teaches how to write a killer email. In the description section, you can find several terms and phrases commonly used in emails. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to promptly receive my future videos. Let's begin with 5 basic rules to follow while writing a professional email. Rule number 1. Keep the tone of an email more formal than a text message, but less formal than a business letter or memo. Rule number 2. Come to the point quickly and be brief. Rule number 3. Aim for clarity and use easy-to-understand language. Refrain from far-fetched, bombastic terminology and confusing phraseology. Rule number 4. Make sure your font type and size and other formatting facilitate legibility. Rule number 5. Always read your email at least once before hitting the send button. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. A professional email has 5 main parts: the subject line, salutations, the message, closing, and signature. The subject line. This is the title of the email. Keep it short but informative. As you would with any title, capitalize the main words. See this example. Refrain from using single-word subjects such as query, attention, important, and so forth. A subject should give a clear idea of what the email is about. Salutations. We normally start an email with a greeting. There are many ways to do that. I recommend using dear or hello. You can write depending on the level of formality between you and the recipient. For example, hello William or dear William, or hello Mr. Shakespeare or dear Mr. Shakespeare. All of these are perfectly fine. Always put a comma after the name of the recipient in the salutations. Using a colon instead is correct and seems a bit more formal. A comma is also required after hello, but not after dear. Do not capitalize A in dear all. The message. Skip a line after the salutations and begin the message. Skip a line after every paragraph in the message. It's customary to begin with openings such as "This is to inform you" or "I'm writing to ask" and so forth. These are all okay. But you can just come to the topic right away and leave out these customary phrases altogether. You can begin your message with this sentence if you like: "I hope you are doing well," or "I hope you are doing great," and then move on to the topic. People usually read emails on the digital screen of their PC or cell phone. In order to help them read your email more easily, keep your paragraphs short and space them with a skipped line in between. Ask a question directly in an email. For example, "Can you please send me the schedule of our online classes this year?" instead of saying, "I would like to ask if you can." If you want to sound more polite, perhaps you could use "could you please" instead of "can you please." It's good practice to end your message by writing "thank you." Write "thank you" in a new paragraph and skip another line before starting the closing. Closing. Many words can be used here as well. I recommend using "best regards." Do not capitalize the R in regards, but put a comma after it, and depending on how you address the recipient, you should write your first or full name in the next line. Signature. You can create a signature file which contains your full name, designation, qualification, phone numbers, website, and so forth. Emails do look more formal when a signature is added to them. It's up to you whether you want to use a signature and how you wish to do it. You may want to make sure you add or remove your phone number as you think appropriate. Thanks for watching this video.